NinjaTrader and TradingView are both packed with powerful trading tools, but which one actually helps you analyze markets and execute trades more effectively? And which one matches your trading style? I tested both platforms side by side, from execution speed and charting to workflow and usability, and by the end of this video, you'll know where each platform really shines and which type of trader each one is actually built for. But before anything else, let's talk about what really sets these two apart, because the main difference between NinjaTrader and TradingView isn't just features, it's how they handle your trades and the type of trader they're designed for. NinjaTrader is built for a very specific kind of user. We're talking active traders, especially futures and forex traders who need advanced order execution, deep customization, and precise backtesting. It's designed for serious, data-driven users who want full control over their strategies, with powerful automation and broker integration. Its strength lies in its professional-grade trading engine, making it ideal for experienced traders who prioritize performance and execution over simplicity. But don't just take my word for it. When I was looking into this platform, I found this trader who shared his experience with NinjaTrader. He said that he's been using NinjaTrader for about a year to learn futures, called the tools top-notch, said the demo trading was the best tool he found. He just broke even and wished that he discovered futures sooner. And yeah, that's exactly the kind of user that NinjaTrader is built for, someone who wants professional-grade tools from day one. There's also this other trader who said in his review that he looked at multiple platforms, and NinjaTrader was by far the easiest to trade with, and it offers the most options, indicators, and whatever he needs for success. He specifically mentioned their customer support being extremely fast and thorough. See the pattern there? NinjaTrader users talk about control, about tools that work, about support that actually helps. TradingView, on the other hand, is created for a much broader audience, from beginners to intermediate traders who value ease of use, clean charts, and social insights. Its standout strength is its community and visual tools, allowing users to share ideas, follow other traders, and quickly analyze markets without technical barriers. This appeals to beginners, chart-focused traders, and people who want a collaborative trading environment. And again, the feedback from users backs this up. I came across one user who captured it perfectly. He said that TradingView shows clean and responsive charts. It makes technical analysis easy even for novices. He highlighted the rich features like built-in libraries for indicators, oscillators, and strategies, plus the drawing tools to create lines and patterns right on the chart. And that's the TradingView difference. It's not about execution power per se, it's about making analysis feel simple and approachable. So if you're someone who mainly analyzes charts and trades occasionally, TradingView will feel faster and easier. But if you're actively placing trades and need precision, NinjaTrader makes more sense. Alright, now that we know the core difference, let's get into what you actually get when you sign up. Let's start with NinjaTrader. First, the Market Watch window. This displays tiles of your selected instruments. Each tile shows a 1-minute net change graph of the current session, plus last price and net changes in points and percent. For quick market scanning, this saves serious time. Then there's the Strategy Analyzer. This lets you run historical analysis on your automated trading strategies. You can take a Ninja script-based strategy and test it against years of market data to see how it would have performed, all before risking any real money. And with the optimization tool, NinjaTrader gets even more powerful. You can fine-tune your strategy's input parameters through optimization. You tell NinjaTrader to test a range of values, like stop losses from 10 to 50 ticks, and it runs iterative backtests to find the optimal values over your historical test period. Another powerful tool is the Simulator. You can access it by selecting the Sim 101 account in any order entry window, but this isn't a basic simulator. NinjaTrader uses a scientific approach. It factors in ask bid volume, trade volume, time to simulate order queue position, and random time delays for switching between order states. It's as close to real market conditions as you can get without actually trading. And for serious trading practice, the Playback Connection tool is a goldmine. Playback lets you download or record market data and replay it later. Unlike most products that only let you replay one market at a time, NinjaTrader gives you synchronous replay of any and all recorded markets. It delivers that data to all windows as if it was happening in real time. You can have multiple superdoms and charts replaying different markets simultaneously, and you can trade in simulation at varying replay speeds. Alright, next let's look at their order entry. NinjaTrader provides 6 graphical interfaces for order, position, and ATM strategy management. Basic Entry, Chart Trader, Order Ticket, SuperDOM, FX Pro, and FX Board. The SuperDOM is essentially popular for futures traders. It's visual, efficient, and it lets you manage orders, positions, and exit strategies with incredible speed. And the charting in NinjaTrader is also some of the most powerful that you'll find. The chart supports multiple intervals, indicators, and drawing tools, plus discretionary trading using Chart Trader and automated trading using NinjaScript strategies. The chart window is highly customizable with user-definable options. Now, here's where TradingView takes a completely different approach. The first thing that hooked me was their super charts. These are the core of TradingView. You can track price changes, read indicators, apply drawing tools, and view screeners and news flow. It's all in your browser, all seamless. But what good is a chart if you miss a move, right? And that's where TradingView Alerts comes in. The alert system is genuinely useful. You can set super simple alerts for when a stock hits a certain price, or create incredibly complex ones based on your own custom indicator formulas. I found this invaluable for managing multiple setups without staring at the screen all day. And for those who want to test ideas without any risk, the paper trading feature is a fantastic tool. I've used simulators on many platforms, but TradingView feels seamless. Everything is the same as real trading, except there's no risk. The system tracks orders and positions so you can see how profitable your strategy is. Now, one of the most underrated features, in my opinion, is the TradingView Screener. TradingView screeners serve different purposes, from broad market overview to focused analysis. These are filters that help you discover assets matching your criteria. You can then display the results as tables or charts, add extra filters, create columns, and reconfigure to match your analytical approach. As for the options traders out there, the Options Strategy Builder is a beast. It lets you create options spreads of any shape, add any number of legs. Each leg represents a position, a call, a put, or underlying symbol. Puts and calls can belong to different expirations for calendar spreads. But the heart of TradingView's customization is their Pine script. Pine script is TradingView's programming language. It allows traders to create their own trading tools and run them on TradingView's servers. It's lightweight yet powerful for developing indicators and strategies that you can backtest. This idea of a complete toolkit is something that users really notice. There's this review from this trader who is with xmo.com. He said that TradingView's unique strength is offering a complete trading experience without leaving the platform. From analysis to broker selection, everything is streamlined. But then again, during my deep dive into both platforms, I found a Reddit thread where a Redditor asked what software traders prefer for executing trades. He had a paper trading account with TradingView, but wanted to know if there were better ways to enter trades than directly off TradingView. And one reply came from a user who said that he loves NinjaTrader for its easy ATM strategies and their strategy builder. He said that their user interface is really solid. Investing.com has also highlighted how NinjaTrader provides comprehensive learning resources and simulated trading, which is really crucial for getting up to speed with a platform this powerful. But at the end of the day, neither platform is perfect, and you deserve to know what you're getting into. With NinjaTrader, I came across this review of a user who complained about how long it took to see funds deposited into his account, even though the money was taken from his bank instantly. And yeah, that can definitely be frustrating. In my experience, though, it's usually a short delay related to account verification or clearing. Most traders only experience this delay once during the initial setup, and it's not a recurring issue. With TradingView, though, the complaints are different but also worth noting. One trader said in his review that the mobile app could be glitchy at times. He also highlighted that sometimes the watch list would load, but the chart wouldn't, and he felt that it was an app issue, not his network. In my own experience testing the mobile app, I found it to be generally solid for checking charts and alerts on the go, but it is something to note for other people's experiences. I did actually have a chart fail to load like once or twice, but a quick app restart fixed it instantly. So this does seem like a relatively minor, occasional bug rather than a constant problem, and definitely not something I would consider a deal breaker. Now, when it comes to cost, NinjaTrader's pricing is actually very competitive, especially for futures traders. They have a free version that gives you basic charting and sim trading, which is really great for getting a feel for the platform, and when you're ready to go live, their commission rates are some of the best in the industry. Compared to many other professional platforms, you can save a lot on fees, which adds up quickly for active traders. TradingView uses a subscription model. Each unlocks more indicators, more alerts, more layouts, and real-time data. For the most current pricing details and any special discount deals, make sure to check the links in the description. I'll keep them updated so you don't miss any offers. And hey, I took some time to look at both platforms, and after thoroughly testing both of them, it really just comes down to this. If your trading depends on execution speed, automation, and precision, I think NinjaTrader is the stronger fit. But if you value clean charts, flexibility, and ease of use across devices, TradingView may actually be the better choice. The right platform isn't really about which one is better objectively, it's about which one fits how you trade. Check the links in the description to explore both tools.